Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, so let's press the back button. After you wake up the screen on your watch, press the back button again to open the menu. Now scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the general settings option. Here tap on pair and sync and then scroll down, find the option called paired devices, tap on it, and here you should have the list of devices paired to your Polar Ignite. Now, as you can see, it's paired to my Moto G22, so let's tap on the phone, on the name of the phone, tap on the check mark to remove the pairing. No device is paired, so we can go back to our phone, open the settings on our phone. In settings, let's tap on connected devices to open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. And here you should see the Polar Ignite on the list connected to your phone, rather, my bad. So it's right here, previously connected devices, and it's still right here on the list. We need to tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget, and tap on forget device to forget the watch. And at this point, the watch is completely unpaired from our phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.